southeastern Saline County, Illinois, Gallatin County, Illinois, north central Crittenden County, Kentucky, southwestern Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 6 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shawnee Town, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Sturgis, Shawnee Town, Ridgeway, Equality, Cave and Rock, Old Shawnee Town, Junction, Carver's Ridge and Groves. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hardin, and Saline, and the following counties in Kentucky: Crittenden and Union.
This one didn't go off because it's, see, when I press that button it doesn't have batteries. Setting the timer correctly.